So what are your impressions about the event so far?
I think it's been great. I think I met a lot of really interesting people, and I think we had some great talks, like fundamentally game-changing talks. I think it's been really good. Yeah, I enjoyed it so far, and I think the discussion regarding brand safety was really interesting yesterday. So it's been good. Good. Yeah.
So you talked about mobile gaming in there. What can you tell our listeners, to our audience, about it?
Well, it's as we talked about it in the ending. It's been an area that a lot of brands have said no to because it's just I don't know. It's something that a discussion that came up for like 5-10 years ago that most brands were a bit anti. But I think the data that we have and the research that we have shows that in-game campaigns can move brands, and then you can see that that's where the growth can come from. So it's yeah, it's difficult to argue against this data. So yeah.
So what do you think is the biggest trend, the most exciting trend in brand communications?
Oh, that's a tricky one. Okay, then I would say let's go with the localization. I think it was a good talk. What Mishka from Medicom and New Zealand mentioned, that we need to, as media agencies, take lead on educating our clients, and I think that's really important to touch upon. So, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.